Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Hobbies and Gadgets. Welcome back to my 90% project. Hey! Well, I'm saying 90% guys, I've got a lot to do still, you know. Still got to fill this out. I'm actually using this van still as a camper. A lot of carpeted the side walls. I've put the gas lines in. Yay! So I've got a gas line. Oh, I've got the cooker. Where'd that come from? Look, don't you just love editing when you and everything just builds up. Bam, 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 bam. Anyway, so as you can see, the cooker sinks in. Mr. Buddy, it's on a quick release. Quick release, guys. I'll tell you why I put down a quick release. One, I can put it anywhere around this area to make it go to the living room or the bedroom. Make it safe basically, so it's not going to catch nothing on fire. Plus, that bad boy, my water boiler. So when I put the water boiler back into the shower, I don't have to have a gas line connected to it. As you can see, I've carpeted the U-shape nearly, looking really good. And this is just a quick update, guys. So I've got my VW bed up here. I'm going to drop this again about another 2 inches or 1 inch. I've got some nice brackets what I'm going to modify with a grinder. So I'm going to take that off the timber. Didn't really like it on the timber. But yeah guys, everything's looking good now, and thanks for those extra 20 subscribers. You know, they just came in from the last video. Thanks for that, guys. Just a quick one, because I'm just giving you an update. I'm going to put a log burner in here, and I think I've got the best log burner to put in a camper van. I'm not going to give you too much details, because obviously let me install it, let me see how it performs. If it don't perform, then it's not worth me reviewing something what's not gonna, you know, give you the results. I'm gonna give you an honest review. I'm gonna put like a thermometer in here. I'm gonna put a time-lapse video, make a proper video out of it, so you can actually benefit from yourself. So no porcupines, you know what I mean? Because you don't want that. The reason I went for this stove, guys, because I had a Hobbit stove in here, and it was so big, and I was going to put it where you're looking at now, next to the Buddy heater, but it wasn't big. It was big for a van, so it was about this big. Plus your seat, you know, your seating area is no good. You know, I thought it was going to catch on fire. This is going to get on fire, and the tube was about a 5-inch tube or 6-inch tube, and I thought, you know, it's too much. This new one I've just bought, it's got a 2-inch tube. And I think it's 12 inches high and 5 inches width. Yeah, 5 inches width. So I will give you a true review on this Spitfire log burner. So guys, thank you again for subscribing. Lots of wood there, look, to burn. But yeah, thank you again for subscribing. If you want to know a bit more on my Mr. Buddy heater, leave comments below, guys, and I will do another video explaining what I done, how I did it, and we leave it as that. But remember, I'm not a gas engineer, I'm not a plumber, I'm not, what else have we done? Electric. You know, all this is DIY, do it yourself, you know. And it's common sense, to be honest, but have it checked, especially if you're sleeping with kids. So, Hobbies and Gadgets is signing out, guys. Peace.